Although we're always excited about the newest foldables, Samsung seems to be taking a very cautious approach with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, which is honestly a little disappointing. Sticking with 25 watts wired charging in 2025 feels like a huge missed opportunity. After all, these are high-end flagship devices that cost a fortune, yet they're using the same charging speeds we saw years ago. Consider that even some of Samsung's mid-range smartphones now offer rapid charging, which makes it even more frustrating. It really doesn't make sense that the Fold 7 and Flip 7 devices, which are advertised as cutting-edge advances, are trapped in the past while the Galaxy A56 and A36, for instance, provide 45 watts fast charging. For comparison, other smartphone manufacturers have been making significant advancements in battery technology, with several flagship models having charging speeds of 6,580 or even 100 watts. For those who are always on the go, certain devices are very handy since they can charge from 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes. It's frustrating to see Samsung lag behind in a sector where they should be at the forefront. Is Samsung emphasizing battery life, lowering costs, or simply playing it safe in a world where speed and efficiency are more important than ever? It's not all terrible news, of course. Though the redesigned chassis with a 6.5-inch covered display and an 8.2-inch inner screen suggests Samsung is improving the overall user experience, it still feels like Samsung is playing it way too safe with its foldable lineup. The rumored 200-megapixel main camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a massive leap from the 50-megapixel sensor in the Fold 6. This alone could bring some serious improvements in photography, especially for those who love high-resolution shots and better low-light performance. Although each of these devices is distinctive in its own right, Samsung seems to be neglecting the fact that battery life and charging speeds are just as crucial as cameras and screens if you want consumers to spend flagship-level money on them. Although there is still time for any last-minute surprises given the official launch is still a few months away, it's difficult not to feel a bit let down right now. Perhaps Samsung has some tweaks planned to make up for the poor charging speeds. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.